When purchasing the walk-in cooler panels from Cooler Depot, after assembling, this is how the walk-in cooler will look. Door with hinge and handle, along with the door frame, can all be purchased separate as well. Measurements for the door frame and the height of the door frame will be 81 inches tall. From left to right, we have 40.5 inches in length. Thickness of the trim itself, we have 7/16. Measurements applied for the length and the height of the door trim. Coming to the right will be the top and bottom hinges. The middle will be the swing door. Included will be the emergency key, along with the main handle for inside. Dimensions for the actual door itself will include 34.25 inches, and the height of the door will be 73.5 inches tall. Swing door can be opened and closed with a latch, and included will be a pair of keys. Entrance will be 31 inches in length by 71 inches tall. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.